So my car needs a windshield washer. So I am going to add more of this. This is a do-it-yourself thingy. So, grabbing the thing. Wait. Ooh, it's heavy. It is heavy. Hook it. Now it's hooked. Oh my gosh. My car really needs a my car really needs a detailed wash. Oh God. So there is the windshield. I think so. Wait, is that the right thing? I hope I don't make a mistake. I think that's the one. Oh my gosh, it is raining like crazy here, everybody. It's been raining since last night. Oh my gosh, the wind. Wow, the rain is really pouring. I have to go to the grocery store. I need some avocado. I need more. I need more of this liquid thingy. This is not enough. Perfect. I gotta get more. Remove this. Car is closed.